Instantly search and find property details on over 180 million properties. Instantly market 1 to 500 nearest neighbors from your desktop, phone, or CRM. Imagine this. You're standing in front of a home that you just qualified as a prospect. You pull out your phone and trigger a single handwritten direct mail piece to the owner of that home. And while you were sleeping last night, there were 3 new matches to a list of owners of properties that meet your specific targeting criteria. And while you were dreaming of early retirement, those 3 owners were automatically dropped into a 12-month, multi-channel drip campaign. Sounds like a marketing automation pipe dream, right? Up until recently, setting up this level of marketing automation was hard to do. Extremely hard if it involved single-piece direct mail. Today, most real estate professionals and home service businesses waste money sending out large, broadly targeted, one-size-fits-all direct mail campaigns and wonder why they don't get the response that they had hoped for. Worse, they chew up a ton of their time going through the same motions every month. Marketing, when done incorrectly, can be very time-consuming. But it doesn't have to be. Setting up automated direct mail campaigns that only target your best potential opportunities is no longer something only big businesses with big budgets can afford and execute on. Learn more about PRINTgenie and how you too can compete on the same playing field as the big guys. That's the power of PRINTgenie.